Good afternoon, welcome to another video. This is not what we're doing today. This is an introduction for a video I filmed a week ago because I forgot to film an intro because I have no idea what I'm doing. So, this is an introduction today, which was last week, actually. We pulled the seats and the carpet out of this car, the 2005 Evo 9. Because it was horrible. So, this is an introduction for that video. So, I guess, enjoy. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. What have we got under here? It doesn't look, I mean, it could be worse. So I think the first step is going to be taking the seats out. Looks like we gotta just get these bolts. Bolt there, bolt there. Imagine there's something over there. We probably want it in the back, so let's work that out. So it looks like the last bolt is underneath the center console. So we're gonna have to pull the center console out first before the seats come out, which is fine. So there's some screws in there. There's probably some other stuff going on up there, so let's see if we can work out how to get that out. Well, there's two Phillips head screws in the console. Undid them and this whole panel popped out. Looks like there's some wiring for the cooler sprayer, which we're going to unplug. First bit of the console out, that was easy. So that down there is pretty disgusting. It looks like it's already missing the screw from up there, which is pretty standard on this car, to be honest. It's missing a lot. It's missing a lot, like it's goodness. There's no goodness involved in this car whatsoever. Get our mad rally knob off. Alright, we're gonna pull this little ashtray thing out, which you should just be able to do like that. The 17 years of grossness. And this should just sort of come out. Move this around and over by undoing the little button. We'll be sick. So now we can get to the bolts of the seats. Now this seat should just come on out of here. Fine, so let's get the passenger out now. Cool. Oh, that's disgusting. What the hell? This car is gross. Let me show you guys. We've got like a whole bunch of wrappers, stuff down there, that's mad. This wiring is it's pretty average. And then we just got our our amp. Just the amp stuffed under the back floor mat. I would maybe try and put it in there. We're gonna have to do something better with that because that's annoying me already and I don't like it. Front seats are out. Let's get these ones out. Found a big 10-cent piece. 90 car mod style, just got cheaper. Ooh. Someone's been drinking Han, like Tokyo Drift Han, except this isn't rear wheel drive, it's all wheel drive, so we will not be drifting. Hopefully, we will be. It's probably going to be terrifying. Here's the interior. We got the driver's seat. It's not in too bad condition. I mean, we got like some little rips and like the leather's creased. And looks a little stained, but we'll probably get that out. So hopefully it cleans up nice. The passenger's pretty good actually. Just a bit grotty. Vacuum clean. And then the back is pretty mint, which is what you'd expect, since there's absolutely no way there'll be any action in the back seat of an Evo. So we're gonna disconnect the battery, which is obviously not the OEM mounted battery. Disconnect it so we don't set the whole car on fire. Now I just need to work out everything I need to remove to get the carpet out. So I think these vent things will probably come out. All these side trims will need to come out. Alright, we got the carpet out finally. There was like 1,000 different size bolts and clip things that we had to undo, which was a bit annoying, but we got there, and plus all the like dodgy speaker wires in this were all tangled up, so that's horrible. Can I show you what's going on? I'm confused, but we found some more cash. $2. I've got a grotty ondel over here. So the car becomes an even better deal than what it was. It's a bit melted up there, that's a bit sus. Which does make sense considering it's sus Evo. Oh, it's pretty gross in here. There's freaking wires everywhere. Oh, another 20 center. Winning. Got another bottle cap over there. But yeah, that's the interior out. I'm gonna show you the carpet. It's not too bad, it's just very dirty. So we're gonna hit it with the vacuum. Pretty happy with that. So we have to clean the carpet, clean the seats, or like the vinyl panels, like all these trim panels that we pulled out. All the door panels we're gonna clean while they're out, because that will make it heaps easier. We've got the seats to do, clean all them. So I feel like we're actually making some progress. Up until now it's been frustrating because I haven't done anything other than pull the car apart. But it's apart now, and somehow work out how to tidy up this dodgy wiring, because it's kind of stressing me out. I feel like this car's like just waiting to catch on fire. Alright, we have vacuumed the carpets, which was mad. They smell terrible, so we have some odor neutralizer from snow foam. So let's spray that on there. They reckon just spray it on there after you clean it. That's easy, so let's do it. I don't know if I'm meant to be generous about it, but I'm going to be. definitely got most of the marks out. There's still a few little ones in there that I kind of hoped it got out, but it was pretty good. Obviously most of this seat is leather, so we have some fresher leather plus snow foam as well. So you might bang some out on and see what happens. Right, so the seat's out drying, so now we have to sort out this absolute nightmare. Gonna vacuum, clean it up in here, and then try to work out all these wires and tidy them up before we get the steering back in. I think that's enough cleaning for now. We cleaned the whole interior, neutralised it, so that should help it smell better. I think the next thing will be in the boot. A mad big subwoofer. So I'm thinking that, hang on, let me get the light. I'm thinking that pull the sub out, pull the amp out, clean this sort of carpet as best we can, and pull the power brace out and get rid of those wires. We definitely need a new NYC fluid door because the clips are all broken. Literally, that's flopping around. How does that even happen? So unfortunately, it doesn't even really. That's sick. Alright, let's get rid of this big old subwoofer so we can get to our power brace. It's a bit better up in there. Shows some damn boot space. So. Oh, freaking victory. Who did this? That sucked. That was way harder than I thought it was going to be. Those trim pieces are pretty much destroyed, but they were kind of broken anyway, so whatever. We've got a whole bunch of destroyed. That was ruined. I think we're going to have to replace these because that sucks. Yeah, to be honest, it's probably whoever put them in just ruined them as much as I did just then. Now, I think before we go any further, we should probably bolt our coilovers back in. I hope we haven't had an issue because they're currently not bolted on. I don't think. So, mad dodgy wire removed. That's a win. That's not a win. I mean, it's a win that that's out, but that sucked. Let's go see if our seats are dry. Chilling out here on their own. Probably getting faded in the sun, but whatever. That's a little bit wet. This one. That's pretty good actually. We might be able to drive this thing home after all. Sus Evo is being sus, but the susness is being removed slowly bit by bit. Hey, we've got a spare tyre. I haven't really seen it until now, since that stupid brace was in the way. Oh yeah, found a free RFE. That's a win. Oh, max 80 k's an hour on an Evo. That's hilarious. That's never gonna happen. So as much as I want to rewire everything, I'm probably not going to have time, because I am running out of time very quickly, and the interior of the car still looks like that, and I got to drive it out of here. So I'm just going to tidy up as best as I can. Probably it'll definitely be better, because it was horrible, it was a mess. But it's not going to be as good as I like, which is going to bug me until I fix it. Alright, we're on the iPhone because the camera died. It's been probably 2 hours since the camera died. And the interior's back together. So let me, as you can see, the interior's in. It looks better. I like it. Smells better so far. Still like, I mean, it's not perfect, but it's definitely cleaner than it was, and it definitely smells better, so it's a win. Happy with that. Still got our big old sub back here, but no silly brace. It didn't blow up when I put it back together either, which was nice. Although the horn did go off, but I had to unlock the door because I thought someone was breaking in. And then we put the negative terminal back in the battery. So yeah, that's it. Unfortunately, the camera did die, as I said, so we're finishing on the iPhone, but that's it. That's the inside of the 9. If you watched, thank you. If you didn't, well, whatever. I'm gonna clean up this mess and go home and eat dinner, because it is way too late. Bye.